Yeah, recently I have been invited by the one of the very prominent university at Indonesia, named as the University of Multimedia Nusantara, Indonesia. They invited me as a visiting professor, and I had been there for the 15 days. And during my the 15 days stay with that university, I have delivered the many expert sessions, the technical sessions, and also we had a joint deliberations with the other senior professors, those who I have invited from the other countries like Europe, Singapore and Malaysia. And I also conducted the very close interaction with the faculty members, with the research scholars, and also the team members of the international cell, so that how this the Avantika University can provide the further support for designing their curriculum, and also to start some kind of the joint research work. So this was the main the purpose of my visit, and it was a very wonderful and insightful visit that I had.